Hey everyone, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious aguachiles. If you want to see how I make them, keep watching. For this recipe, we're going to start adding the ingredients into the molcajete. I'm going to be using about 8 chiles chiltepin, 1 garlic clove, 1 serrano pepper, about 1/8 teaspoon of cilantro en bolita, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, ni como se diga, I don't know, salsa inglesa, 2 tablespoons of Jugo Maggi, and some pepper to taste. And now we mash it up very well until it looks like this. And now we're gonna add the juice of 10 limes and mix it until it's well combined. I've already cleaned and deveined my shrimp and I've left it in cold water for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna add the shrimp and I'm using 1 pound of small shrimp. Make sure they're well covered in the juice and we're gonna let them sit for about 10 minutes or until they change color. It's been 10 minutes and as you can see, our shrimp now has a pinkish color. And now we're gonna add half of a small red onion, some salt, we mix. Once it's well mixed, we're gonna add some salsa negra. Give it a mix. And now we're gonna add some cucumber. And I'm adding half a cucumber. Once more, we mix it all in. And your aguachiles are ready to eat. I like to garnish it with some avocado and a little bit more of the salsa negra. You can add some clamato if you'd like, but for me, this is just perfect. And there you have it, delicious aguachiles. Okay guys, una tostadita. Oh, my mouth is watering. These are the best. If you haven't tried them, you definitely need to. Y no puede faltar más salsa. Cheers. These are so delicious. Reminds me of when I eat mariscos in Mazatlan. Oh, they're the best. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!